Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a weekly Forex forecast for the upcoming week starting from Monday, 1st of January 2024. So happy new year from my side to all of you as well. Plus happy vacations, I should say. Your trading must be going on very nicely. Previously all of the setups that I gave worked pretty much very nicely, 80-85% of the time that worked. And right here today I have to run some analysis on these pairs. There were some long-term opportunities that we availed on the Aussie US dollar back in September. And right here we also have seen this break of structure, so this will be part of today's episode as well. Dollar yen, I would like to see two levels I gave, and this was the entry, this was the TP that hit, and 142 supposed to be a reversal area, so I will be discussing this as well. Moving on to the US oil right here, as per my previous plans are right here, and intraday and weekly traders made good profits right here. So let's see, I will be discussing it, and plus these other pairs as well. But first of all, let's have a look at the dollar index. And dollar index is so much important for us because all of the most major currency pairs including the gold is dependent on the dollar index most of the time. Anyways, dollar index excuse me. So the dollar index right here, if you see, there were two levels that we have discussed previously. Good buying zone, then selling zone from 3 weeks before I gave setup right here. And this sell, as I have told, it worked very nicely. Right now what I'm supposed to run right here is obviously the previous analysis. You must have seen that 102 was a very important zone for me. 102 right here and right here, and there was one specific reason why I liked this 102 level. If you see my previous analysis right here, you will clearly understand that this was a very nice Fibonacci number of this whole rally that started all the way from Friday 14th July 2023, and right here 107 on 30th October 2023. So a very nice impulsive wave, and its 61.8% retracement has been retested by the sellers. So it means we may most likely be entering into a range right here, and after that range we have to decide what we want to do next. Obviously this trend line, it will be with us and it will be guiding our direction most of the time. So there are some fresh levels that I want to discuss today. The actual support zone was right here near 99.82, but 100 was the call for a buy. And obviously the market moved very nicely all the way from 100 points till 79 pips it gave till now so far. And there are some expectation that the market will try to retest 102.496, where I'm going to take a sell trade. So market is going to do this, and as soon as it go up there, we may look for some sell opportunities. Maybe we can see for a correction and then a continuation to the top side from the market, from where I will again be looking for sell. So buy sell on a very like on very good levels this strategy gives me. So I hope you will like this analysis of the dollar index. Please let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, for the 80% of the analysis which is correct and which gives good profits, I think this video needs or deserves one like from your side. Plus if you are new to the channel, you can click on the subscribe button. Anyways, moving on to the long-term image of the dollar index right here. If you see, if this really continues to the top side of the market, definitely the market is going to retest 104.626. Remember, this area is very much important for me because I have discussed it right here, and as you can see right here, this was supposed to be 105, was supposed to be a retest level with us. Now I'm trying to move these Fibonacci's, and this area is going to be a very master sell area for us with us 105, but I'm not sure if that will be achievable in the next upcoming week or not, because we also, or the bulls also, have to face this 61.8% retracement at a price level of precise price level of 102.89. So let's see what we get. Definitely this is going to be a very fantastic market in the upcoming few weeks. Moving on to the euro US dollar first of all, and right here there is one signal that is currently running, because honestly speaking, euro US dollar has took like two of my stop losses, and all of the trades I entered, my trade management was there, so the stop losses got hit, and I'm really sorry for that, because this is forex market and such things will do happen. But what I usually do is, if you can specifically see in this particular case, is that my stop loss is always smaller than my take profit, so that is an edge, and that is a very pro advantage of my strategy that suggest these things. So on the euro US dollar, there is nothing much technical about it, but first of all I want to see the weekly time frame a little bit. The weekly no doubt closed very nicely bullish. No doubt, I'm not saying it closed bearish, but 1.10497 was the call for a sell last week, and in the last weekly forex forecast of video. So till now, so far, this level is respected by the price, and those traders obviously must have made good profits, right? Here, since this was 125 pips down move, and still I see it's going down. But before that, I also want to let you know that I was keep buying from this pin bar. I was on these lower time frames, I was keep buying, and right here retest again, buying, retest again, buying, and some selling right here as well. In the group I discussed that, but there is one unfortunate thing that happened. This particular rally, a new trade that I was supposed to be entering, I missed that. All of the trades that I have were running from there, hit their TPs, but this additional trade opportunity I was trying to avail, I missed it by a very small margin, because I want to be very much honest with all of you. So euro US dollar is very simple. I'm just going to draw my Fibonacci tool over it. The trend, obviously the trend is our friend, and we have this trend line, but I have some doubts and I have some vibes that the market most likely may be breaching this trend line. But no doubt, this is a trend line, and it will have some potential to give us some profits on the intraday and counter trend trade on these H4 and H1 time frames, which I'm not going to discuss H4 and H1, because this chart will be completely messy, and obviously I'm a long-term weekly trader. So euro US dollar, let's see what it gives in the future. Definitely the higher time frames still suggest, since if we see this monthly time frame, the next candle most likely, this is my personal observations, and it may come back down to 109,967. Then again it will be trying to hit this resistance level. So try to trade very safely, because in a bullish market, this bullish rally this time seems to be reaching 1.15. Previously I have discussed that, and there is on a monthly one very important level as well, where I should say the price, we can say, gave a breakout. Like in this month of January of 2024, it will be completely decided which way actually it wants to go. If the market is too volatile, the market will go straight up to 1.15 most probably, and it can breach that area and retest 1.1699 as well. So try to watch this analysis few times, and I'm sure all of these levels, if you can note down, you will be making good profits out of these setups. Gold US dollar, just like last week, what I said is it's going to approach 2243.15, 2195.408, and as you can see, we picked some buy opportunities from right here towards 2246. We finally have got a break on of structure. Even on a monthly, we cannot say a break of structure, but if we see on a weekly, well, yes, after like from few weeks we have seen and we are observing, on the basis of which I gave you these opportunities as well. I was supposed to add some more position in 1905, but if I'm lucky enough, the market will be coming back down and will be hitting my filling my orders, and then will be taking me along with it towards 2243. That is a very ideal situation, because if I enter right here, the image is sort of like a very nice confusing image, I should say. And definitely this pullback is going to be very much important for me. These buy trades that I'm holding, stops are no doubt below this week at the moment and on Monday, and as soon as the market opens I will be moving them, and you should also move them to the break even, and also try to go for some partial profits right here, because if you are making 15%, just like last month, how much we made on those pound yen and those other pairs. So if you can make around like even 10-12%, still that is better than conventional businesses. So right here, let's wait for 1905. If we get it, that's fine. If we don't get it from right here, we may get it from right here. Okay, we don't like, we should not be in always in a rush that, hey, I need a trade, I need a trade, I need a trade. If you have the psychology of this kind, I think this is not very ideal. Being my audience, try to avoid these things. It will be very nice, and you will actually enjoy the art of this trading, plus the profits that you will be making from this strategy, right? So it is pretty much simple. On a daily, I want to discuss it, since on a daily time frame right here it is clearly showing a bearish sign. Double top is also right here. There is a very clear divergence, and like, the problem is that sometimes I like those divergence which can be barely considered as divergence, because this is like, everyone see it, everyone see this double top. But anyways, this sell, I most probably will be going towards 2014.375, because 1905 can be a very long term, I should say. And if I show you this impulsive wave right here, then the ABCD pattern, since this story completed, this is a new one story. Market made a double top up there, the market should be coming back down to 1899, 1905. Let's see. Will be unless I don't get a break above that, I will be focusing more on sell, and after a breakout, obviously 2243, and these buy trades, I will be going for partial profits. Dollar CAD is also reverts from a support that was discussed. It is very simple, like, it doesn't require any sort of too much technical, like, it represents a very nice my strategy, I should say. And right here, ABCD zigzaggy pattern, and then the market reversed. Market was supposed to take a bounce from right here, it gave a breakout, which means it was going down to this, retest this support, and from this support it is going to 1.35 triple zero very easily. And from 1.35 triple zero, I'm going to look for sell opportunities on the break of it, retest, and obviously we'll be looking for 1.39 triple zero. This much simple is my strategy. uh Dollar index is done. Pound dollar, same situation, that is on the euro dollar. I'm currently running a sell, long term sell, I should say, and 1.23363 is I'm looking for, from where I'm going to take a buy, and then that buy will be pointing toward this trend line. This is not a very ordinary trend line, and if you see, this is a monthly trend line, I should say, that we have almost from 2015. So not an ordinary one, and market is congested right here on the higher time frames. So let's see what it gives us. I hope it will also be a very nice and fantastic trade opportunity on the pound dollar. If we see further for some clues and opportunities right here, I am currently holding this sell. Why sell? Because I have a very tiny stop loss compared to the take profit, and market usually, if you control your stop losses, usually you have to take your take profits very big. And right here, if you set your stop losses smaller and take profits big, you will grow your account with the passage of time. 10 to 12% monthly income, it has gone nowhere on a daily time frame of any chart. So currently it shows this. If I go to the H4, the chart will go further technical. But again, I want to tell you that all of the buys that I was holding, they hit the TP at 1.27505, and now I'm holding a sell position. So if it hits the SL, since I have made long term this much profit, okay, 665 pips right here on a daily basis all the way from 2nd October. So it's a very good outcome, right? Very good income I should say, and good reward compared to the stop losses, because we entered here, most of you will remember, and with a stop loss right here and the market continued. This was a sell area with us. At some point in time I thought this is going to be a breakout, but then that was a fake out and is currently showing me a sell sign from where I will be buying from 1.23363 and will be adding more position with these people. Pound yen, this sell I gave, it worked very nicely, and it also gave a break below of structure. Let me clean up the chart a little bit. Let me clean up a little bit. Then most of you complain, and yes, I remember most of you then ask me, hey Aftab, what's your WhatsApp number? So here is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me anytime you want, right? Anytime you want. If you need my premium services, I have few seats for the next year available, so you can contact me. We can decide a time for meeting every day, Monday to Friday, 40 minutes of meeting, and along with that you will get all of my strategies, all of my techniques, all of my experience, and along with that you will get trade recommendations, trade management, and trade decisions. Plus you can uh, discuss any trade opportunity that you have in your mind via WhatsApp and Zoom meetings, right? So this is my WhatsApp number. Anyone interested can become a member of my private community. I'm sure you will be making good profits. Okay, getting back to the analysis, and right here on the pound yen, uh, it gave a break below structure, but let me also see it on a higher time frame. So let's delete this Fibonacci. Okay, let me highlight this area for all of you. A 61.8% retracement moving this right here, and these are some tiny intraday levels extending this to the right side of the market right here. So you see a breakout retest and the market should continue back down. 175.3751 was a call, and obviously the market has to continue further down, a lot down I should say. But for now, for this analysis, I think I'm just considering this level for the upcoming week, 175.411 and 172.001. If the market took a bounce from right here, obviously the SLs will be hit right here, and then we will be waiting to enter at a 61.8% retracement of this impulsive wave like this, which will be completed. Moreover, it is currently showing its downward move. Moving on to the Aussie dollar, US dollar, and right here, or before that, let's discuss US oil. So we made good profits right here. This was the trade call right here, and then there was a zone right here with us. So if you see, it reverts from a trend line, and most people will say it's dropping, but there is some bullish area keeping apart the fundamentals, because obviously the fundamental can play a very big role right here, and I'm at the moment staying away from the fundamental and just technically explaining it. And right here, why I'm saying it is that I will need to clean up the chart a little bit, maybe this one, because these are all of the few chart readings. This one gave us this much profit, okay, the first trade 75 pips it gave. So on a crude oil, 75 is not a bad number, and right here even it gave precisely without going against us 83 pips again, so not a very smaller number. Okay, now moving on to the current market situation, and obviously last week this sell opportunity from right here I gave, and again you must have made definitely 48 pips during the week on crude oil. And right here, this is going to be a good 70.78 is going to be a good zone from where I think we should consider, and we have made good profits from all of these rallies. So if we can put some of that at risk, that's not a very bad thing to do. Okay, you can easily do that, but obviously on your own risk. So if this happen, obviously the market will be then approaching 77.98, and if you are interested in the long term, then the long term game, obviously that is very much Similar to this, but that requires like your stop loss should be right here, and the TP can be 91.11. This is crude oil, my friends, and 67 from where it bounced back was not a very small level. So let's see this level of 70 point, which level it was, 70.51, 71.29. Between these zones you can easily book some profits. Intraday levels, day trading levels, obviously, and the weekly levels, it will have some risk, but you have to set your stop loss on the H4 below the tails of the candles. I was supposed to add another pair. Okay, dollar yen. Yes, dollar yen previously 140.982 for the long term was my call. Even I missed one trade, even I missed this one as well, but I was also waiting for another sell from here because my TPs from there, okay, previously if you have seen my videos you will understand, they got hit, okay, their stop loss. Now I was mostly expecting that the market should do this so that I can make more money even from this buy and then from this sell, but the market came down with a bit of confused statement, I should say. So moving on to the weekly right here, and right here if I move on to the weekly, my strategy now suggests that 61.8% retracement, since for the long term we obviously are holding these sell positions. These some trades hit TVs, but those which we are holding, I'm currently looking at 135 once again, from where we can get some huge opportunity for buying dollar yen once again right here. And obviously 147, 148 will be the TP zone, 142 will be the TP zone, and these levels can again be used for especially sell opportunities as well right here, sell opportunity as well right here. So strategy wise this is also very simple, and there is if you focus on it, there is a very nice trend that is broken, right? So this will be a retest point, maybe it go for a retest or not, and finally the market will drop towards 136, 135 level. So sell opportunities and then buy opportunities, then sell, then obviously like this. So let's see in the upcoming week what it gives us. Make sure to give me your feedback in the comment section down below as well, because there is like a fuel for these analysis. The Aussie dollar, US dollar, back in October, we bought huge lots right here for long term, and the trade is going on very nicely, right? So most of the members were not part of that at that time. So right now, those members who are looking for, I think this is a resistance level, and if you can leave some of the positions, by some I mean because market has entered clearly into our support resistance zone right here with a clear break of trend line. So we have to see what this level suggests us, because then 67,122 is also one level. Since our buy positions, half of them are closed now, rest at break even, and I want to add more buy position, but I also want to make profits from these sell opportunities, because we have to make profits carefully as well. So for a sell is not ready as well, and if I run my Fibonacci quickly, the Fibonacci still will be suggesting me for long term, since I'm saying this impulsive wave is not yet completed, right? So let's move on to the daily and let's find out what can be the possible outcome. So let's delete this, and sorry, there will be one buying opportunity right here near this exact trend line. So the market is definitely dropping towards 66.53 again from there, and from where we will be taking buy opportunities. Let me add flu season, so bear with me. Right, so if this 66.53 level is like, the market is definitely dropping, and from here it will be then 0.7 triple zero triple zero triple zero. Will be pointing out to that break of structure. So let's see, 66.53 is going to be a very nice buying opportunity. If you have any sell from there, I think you can leave the positions very very nicely at break even. So I hope this video analysis for the upcoming week will be super beneficial for all of you. If you have any comments, any suggestions, you can contact me on the WhatsApp number. If you want to join my premium group for meetings and courses, because I have like at a time, since these are live sessions one-on-one, so at a time I can facilitate very minimum number of people, and that's why I randomly show my WhatsApp number. Since 1 month I'm showing you this, so anyone who is interested, because after that I will have like I will be busy with the other one. So first come first serve basis, you can ask for mentorship services. Thank you so much, and happy new year. In the last weekly analysis I forgot to wish all of you, those who celebrate Christmas, so happy Christmas. I'm sorry about that, I'm a bit late, but I thought to give you both wishes together, the new year and the Christmas as well, the vacations as well. And I hope this new year brings lots and lots of good opportunities for us. And yes, this is it. You keep me in your prayer, I keep you in my prayer. Till next video, I must say goodbye. Take a lot of care of yourself.